Ready to unlock the door to your dream home in Ontario, or maybe sell your current one for top dollar? Choosing the right realtor is your first and most important step. Let's dive into how to find a realtor in Ontario who's the perfect fit for you. Making the whole process smooth and successful first, experience matters. Look for a realtor with a proven track record. Check their online reviews and ask for references from past clients. Next, local market knowledge is key. Ontario's real estate market varies greatly from city to city. You need a realtor who knows your target area inside and out, someone who understands pricing trends, neighborhood characteristics, and local regulations. Ask them specifics about recent sales in your area. Third, excellent communication is non-negotiable. Your realtor should be responsive, proactive, and able to clearly explain every step of the process. This includes keeping you updated on new listings, feedback from showings, and negotiating offers effectively. Do they answer your calls and emails promptly? Finally, ensure a smooth home buying or selling process. This involves finding a realtor who is organized, detail-oriented, and has a strong network of professionals like mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and lawyers to support you. This can save you time and headaches down the road. So remember, experience, local market knowledge, clear communication, and a commitment to a smooth transaction are the cornerstones of choosing the right realtor in Ontario. Armed with these tips, you're well on your way to making your real estate dreams a reality.